Namaste everyone. This video is prepared by Miss Ildarasi from Present Vidya Mandir Mavandur and presented by Miss Sudha Sarni and Miss Monica. Welcome to your Max class. For class 4, the topic is tracking time for the month of February, week 1, and the video number is first part of 3 videos. So, here are some things we have to learn before going to the class. 60 seconds equal to, yes, 1 minute, and 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. 24 hours equal to 1 day, and 7 days equal to 1 week. 4 weeks makes 1 month, and 52 weeks makes 1 year. 12 months equal to 1 year, and 365 days equal to 1 year, and 366 days is a leap year. So in this video we are going to learn tracking time. The expected learning outcome of this video is you will be able to read and write time to the exact minute, convert time from 12-hour format to 24-hour format, convert different units of time and calculate duration in hour and minute. Read the time and write it next to the clock in the format. Shall we start? Yes. In the first clock, the short hand is in, that is hour hand is in 10, and then short hand is long hand, that is minutes hand is in 3. So it is 10, 15. Next, the second one. The hour hand is in 4 and the minute hand is in 9. So it is 4:45. Then this one. The hour hand is in 6. And then minute hand is in 12, that is 0. So it is 6 o'clock. Then both hour hand and the minute hand is in 2. It is 2:10. Very good, children. Look at the given clocks. After showing 5:10 in figure 1, the minute hand has moved. Now, pointing at a small division between 2 and 3 in figure 2. Let us read the time shown in clock 2. First, skip count in fives. So, can you see how they have skip counted in fives? Yes, from 12 to 1 it is 5, and then from 1 to 2, if you add 5, what is the answer? 5 plus 5 is? Yes, it is 10. From 10, we move on like adding 1. So, add 1. How many 1 are there? 4. So, 10 plus 4 is 15. So, the time shown in clock 2 is? It is 5:14. Next, to avoid miscommunication between 5 a.m. and 5 p.m., we express time in the 24-hour format. We know that the hour hand of the clock moves around the clock once from midnight to noon and once again from noon to midnight. So every 12 hours the clock comes around again, right? So from the clock, when it reaches 12, it again round, come again in a clockwise direction. Yes. So in the 24-hour format, the hours after noon continue from 13 instead of starting again from 1. So in the 24-hour format, it won't starts with 1, it starts again with 13. Clock 1 shows 10 o'clock in the morning and clock 2 shows 10 o'clock in the evening. The time in the first clock is read as 10. Can you see? The short hand is in 10 and the long hand is in 12. In the second clock, the short hand, that is hour hand, is in 22. So the minutes hand is in 12, that is 0. So it is read as 22. The first part of the day lasts from midnight to noon. This is the morning. We call the time between midnight and noon, that is, we call it as AM. The second part of the day lasts from noon to midnight. This is the evening. So in the morning till the noon, that is 12 o'clock, we call it as AM, and from noon to midnight we call it as PM while we are writing the time of anything. In the 24-hour format, midnight is referred to as 0 hours, and in the 12-hour format it is denoted as 12 AM. So in the 24-hour format, the 12 midnight is called as 0 hours, and in the 12-hour format it is denoted as 12 AM. Conversion of units of time. So to convert from the 12-hour format to the 24-hour format, we add 12 to the time. For example, they have given already, right? So in the 2:30 p.m. in the 24-hour format will be written as 14:30. That is, we have to add 2:30 with 12 o'clock. So 2:30 plus 12 is 14:30 minutes, right? So how will you write 18:45 in the 12-hour format? So when we want to convert 12-hour format to the 24-hour format, we add it. So now, how will you find the 24-hour format? How will you convert 24-hour format to the 12-hour format? So now, 18:45 subtracted with 12 o'clock. So we will get 5 minus 0 is 5. 4 minus 0 is 4. And 8 minus 2 is 6. 1 minus 1 is so it is 6:45 in the evening. We always start from this side, right? So 0 minus 0 is 0. And then can you subtract 0 from 3 from 0? No. So we have to borrow. So this becomes 5. So listen now. This is 1 hour. So we are giving 1 hour. 1 hour which is equal to 60 minutes, right? So we have to get 60 here. So 6 minus 3 is 3 and 5 minus 3 is 2. So it is 2 hours 30 minutes. So totally she has practiced for 2 hours and 30 minutes. Since 30 cannot be subtracted from 0, we borrowed from a higher unit. So the summary of this lesson is we learned how to write the time and what is AM. AM is used in the morning, that is from midnight to noon, and noon to midnight we use PM for this. And then we learned how to convert 12-hour format to 24-hour format. So 12-hour to 24-hour we need to add 12 to the given time, and from 24-hour format to 12-hour format we need to subtract 12 from the given time. So to calculate the total timing what we have spent or what we have done, how much time it's taken, we need to subtract the ending time with the starting time. So thank you children for watching. We'll meet you in the next class. Bye.